Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today we're going to be talking about Terra Luna. If you have not been paying attention to the charts, the whole crypto market, including all the major altcoins, has been a bloodshed in the past 24 hours. Also, UST from the proposal of 1747 will be getting a burn of 1.38 billion. Also, some crypto exchanges, when Luna 2.0 will be airdropped to you, will be locking it away for over 2 years. Which is a little scary, but there is a lot to talk about today. If you're here for the first time, you do want to stay up to date with everything to do with Luna, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video, completely free to do so. It will just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people see and also get their information about Luna. They decide to put their trust back into it, invest in it, it starts spiking up, all of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Other than that, let's get straight into it. So to begin with today's video, before we look at the chart and look at the bloodshed we had in the whole crypto market yesterday, I want to show you guys a proposal which a lot of people missed and probably is going to make you a very happy person if you look at this. So Terra proposal 1747 to burn 1.38 billion UST quietly passes as Terra 2.0 steals the limelight. Now if you guys do not know, UST after the depeg, they did not decide to burn anything and they just let it be, and a lot of people were very angry about that. At the same time, the Terra 2.0 will not be actually connected to any stable coin, so UST does not have any link with anything anymore other than Luna Classic. At this point, they did decide to actually burn 1.38 billion UST, which is a significant amount as that's close to 14% of the total supply of UST right now, and a lot of people did not actually catch on to this, and that is one of the reasons why Luna, or actually UST, was actually having such a big rally up about 2 days ago. Terra proposal 1623 to burn a new chain was not the only proposal undergoing the community voting. The Terra community also voted on 1747 suggesting to burn 1.38 billion UST from the community pool. 1747 will reduce the outstanding bad debt of Terra community and help restore the UST peg. Now if it does get restored to $1, that is going to bring so much trust back into Terra team, and also just in general a lot of people will start trusting crypto again, and maybe that will actually have a positive impact on all the major altcoins such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yesterday we saw the extreme dip and that was very scary for a lot of people, but it did recover very quickly. Another thing which is really crazy is, look at this, crypto exchanges welcome Luna 2.0 but the holders face 2-year token wait. Yes, you read that right. So you will be receiving Luna 2.0, the token, but the only thing is you will have to wait up to 2 years before you can actually use that token. So you might have to go ahead and just lock it away for 2 years before you will be able to convert it into another crypto, or just sell it in general so you can actually get the money in your freight money. So this, I personally understand why they would do this, because obviously they do not want people to just sell on release, or that will completely crash the price. Having them wait 2 years and slowly giving them the token will make sure that the price does not have a significant crash, because if the whales decide to sell early when the release is done, it is obviously going to be very negative and the price is going to completely dump. Another thing I want to show you guys about the price chart of Luna Original now is it's starting to look pretty good in a way, because if you guys see, so after this small consolidation period we had, there was obviously a breakout and now we are on a downtrend, but this support that it actually bounced off actually worked very well, because right now it is staying above the support. At the same time, it does have the support to bounce off if required, but overall there is not much resistance that it will have to break through to actually make it back into this zone, which is a consolidation period. I know a lot of you guys are waiting for Luna Original or Luna Classic to just have an explosive move before the release of Terra 2.0, and we're less than 24 hours away. I mean, when you see this video, it will be probably less than 12 hours hours away. So it's actually starting to go crazy in terms of how close we're getting and what sort of response it will receive from the community. Another thing is on the RSI line, you guys can see we're getting closer to the oversold period. So this could mean that a lot of whales and also retail investors decide to enter the market, and that could also help us boost the market back up. Another thing is if you decide to look at coin market cap, you guys can see over here the trading volume has significantly dropped, and now the trading volume is sitting close to 260 million. It is down 70% today. The market cap is down about 22%, but it is still sitting close to 900 million. Also, if you look at the trading volume to the market cap ratio, it is close to 30%, which is not the positive in my opinion, but at the same time the circulating supply from the past 24 hours has not increased at all. Does that mean they have finally capped it properly and made sure that no new minting of Luna Classic is done? If they've done that, that is obviously going to be a very good sign for everyone that is holding on to the token. Another thing is billionaire Mark Cuban pours cold water on Terra 2.0. So this is a little harsh. That's probably the best word to say. Billionaire Mark Cuban told Fortune that he wouldn't put money into Luna 2.0, diminishing the yet to be launched project early. Now, yes, he is obviously saying this because the first project they did was obviously not the best thing, and at the same time they did not help it grow, rather just move to a new blockchain. So he's not very happy with the team. Prior to that, Mark Cuban confirmed that he hasn't invested in either Luna or UST stablecoin. The billionaire has also passed on the failed Anchor protocol, which was one of the key pieces of Terra ecosystem. Overall, he's not going to be actually trying to support this at all, and he wants to stay away from it. Personally, I do not blame him because I know a lot of people that do not like Terra Luna after the crash, and it makes sense because I still think they should try to do something to help Luna Classic grow back up rather than just completely abandoning it. Another thing is over here, Luna 2.0, a great comeback story or a gambler's dream. Personally, I think it is going to be a great, I hope it is going to be a great comeback story and they make it back into the top 10, because if this is just going to be a pump and dump, personally I will be very, very disappointed. But if it does decide to stabilize itself and slowly grow back up and make it to the top 10 crypto by market cap, that would be actually a very good thing to see. That's probably the best word to put it. And finally, I want to show you guys this. So Polygon has launched a $450 million investment to try to help all the projects which are stuck on Terra Luna Original to move over to their network or their Polygon blockchain. Now, why would Polygon do this? They're obviously trying to help them, but at the same time they're going to be getting some new projects on their network that is going to be very good in the eyes of their investors. So it makes sense, but at the same time it's really good of them to try to help those projects which are abandoned on Terra Classic. Another thing, which is this, Luna eyes a gigantic comeback as crypto exchanges throw their weight behind and Terra's rebirth. I mean, we know that there is going to be a lot of big exchanges trying to list Luna 2.0 as soon as possible. Seeing the hype around it, people want to make sure, or exchanges want to make sure, they can make the most profit of it, because if the trading is allowed, more people will decide to trade it, and over time they're going to be getting more money in the fees. But I'm very excited. It's less than 12 hours away. And what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section. I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.